Today's class we'll discuss on few things on the delivery part. Very important one. I am opening ECC plus EWM system. I'm creating a new PO, purchase order.
Okay.
So this is EWM respective plant and so location one. Yeah. So I'm going to create one new PO by copying the same one. Okay. I created PO. Now you need to go to the confirmations. Few things are very important. Okay. Confirmation control should be IWMS. Okay. And ensure that your plant and storage location are maintained. And save the PO. So this is my PO. Purchase order. Now this purchase order I'm going to create what? I'm going to create an inbound delivery. I'm going to create an inbound delivery. Go to PL31N to create the inbound delivery. So give the purchase order number here, external ID. If you see external ID, so this external ID, whatever you keep here, this will act as ASN. This will act as ASN number, advanced shipping notification. ASN number. This will act as ASN number, advanced shipping notification number. Now enter. Now if you see here, material, it has quantity, it has taken from the purchase order. Okay, everything it has taken from the purchase order document. This one, respective plant, store location, everything it has taken from the purchase order which you created. This inbound delivery, I may receive 10 quantity from vendor. I may receive 5 quantity also, right? I may not receive 10 quantity at a time. Now supplier is sending only 5 quantity. Did you get my point?
Yes,
Now
understood.
supplier is sending only 5 quantities. Now I want to keep only 5 quantity here, not 10 quantity. Can I keep it?
Yes.
Yes, obviously we can keep it. Now, if you want to know this delivery belongs to EWM system, how do you want to know? How can we know that this delivery belongs to EWM and it will distribute to EWM? How do you know that?
I think in header we can know it is distributing or not.
Can I see?
Yeah.
The header, if you go right, okay. In the header, if you go, it is A relevant. If you want to go, just check this F1 here. So okay, distribution status in the F1, this one distribution status, it will show as okay F1. I am taking some help. So it is telling that whatever that indicators are there, A, B, C, D, what is the meaning of indicators? It is showing the description of all the indicators. So when you have time, just read. Very important. Okay, interview question. Okay, so just read the descriptions part. But this majorly tells that this delivery belongs to EWM or not. Is this relevant delivery to EWM or not? Is this distributed to EWM or not? Is this not distributed to EWM or not? So all this information you can see in the distribution status over here. Okay, this one. Now once you save it, what will happen? Automatically we will get one message now. Automatically you will get one message. Shipping notification was saved and distributed to WMS system, warehouse management system. It was distributed. Now this is my shipping notification number. It was created. This is the inbound delivery number. Okay. Now tell me, I am going to receive 6 quantity, not 5 quantity. I am going to receive 6 quantity from the vendor, not 5 quantity. I want to change it now. How can I change it now?
In VL 32N, you can change
Okay, VL 32N you
32N.
wanted to change. What is this one? VL 32N. What is the message you got here?
Delivery was distributed, therefore display only.
What it means?
It is distributed to EW system, so it is unable to change in ECC.
So what do you got to know now? What did you learn from this one?
So once inbound delivery created and distributed to EWM, we can't change in ECC.
That's what. Once inbound delivery, once inbound delivery created and distributed to EWM, you cannot make any changes in ECC. Once inbound delivery distributed to EWM, no changes possible from ECC. No changes possible from ECC side. Can I do GR in ECC system here? PGR can I do here?
Those also disabled.
Everything disabled, I'm telling you. Okay, once ECC system they will pass the delivery to EWM system. Now EWM will take care of the delivery. Now EWM will take care of this delivery. Nowhere you can do action on the inbound delivery in the system. It is full display mode only. You cannot do anything. Did you get the point? Now this inbound delivery I am opening in EWM system. This inbound delivery I am opening in EWM system. So what is the transaction to open the inbound delivery in EWM system?
/SCWM/PRDI.
As SCWM/PRDI. If you are not able to find in SCWM PRDI, where you are able to find the inbound delivery? In case if you are not able to find delivery.
There is one another T code, I forget it.
To remember the T codes, guys. Here you can see inbound delivery notification. If you are not able to find inbound delivery in SCWM PRDI, you can find the delivery in SCWM IDN. In SCWM IDN you can find. I'm showing you just SCWM. What is IDN?
Inbound delivery
IDN.
notification.
Inbound delivery notification. This is the one inbound notification. Here you are able to find. Here you can see, okay, these options. Inbound delivery inactive. Okay. So if there are any errors, system was not able to proceed further, then it will stuck in the IDN, inbound delivery notification. Then you can activate from here, or you can do some modifications here, and you can activate, and after that you are able to see in inbound delivery. Suppose if you are not able to see inbound delivery distributed to EWM on IDN or as inbound delivery, where exactly you can find that inbound delivery? If you are not able to find in both the places,
Then we need to check the queue.
exactly, we need to check in the queues. Which queues?
Inbound queue.
Inbound queue or else
Outbound queue in ECC.
outbound queue in ECC. Okay, very important, guys. Okay, if the once delivery was distributed to EWM, delivery distributed to EWM. First thing, normally what we will do, we'll go to SEWM ID and we'll check the inbound delivery number. Okay, inbound delivery number. And if you're not able to find an inbound delivery, then first thing we'll check is IDN, inbound delivery notification. You will check. And if you're not able to find an inbound delivery notification also, first you will check in the ECC outbound and EWM inbound. You will find Hakka somewhere here. Okay, if you are not able to find in queues also, you are not able to find in the inbound delivery, you are not able to find IDN, you are not able to find in the ECC outbound, and you are not able to find in the EWM inbound queues also. Now in this case, what would be the error? In this case, what would be the error? Where exactly you will do? Check now.
The delivery in outbound delivery, you need to check it is distributed to EWM or not. The first case.
Okay, distributed, yes. I mean to say it is showing as distributed, yes. Next.
Mm.
Tell this answer, you are practicing or you are learning. I mean, you are more than 100% of your efforts.
Okay, Ram.
If you tell this answer now.
Mm. We need to check the configuration. It is distribution is there is some configuration correct to distribute immediately or stop distribution. That configuration we need to check it.
Distribution immediately or distribution this one, it will show in the delivery itself only. Delivery, when you save it, automatically it will distribute it, right?
Yes.
That will control that one. Now in the current scenario, delivery was distributed. But whatever you said, that is right. It is a configuration. But
Yeah.
that is not the configuration, whatever you are telling.
Are we to check in SM57 the system is active or not? The receiver system is active or not?
You are almost nearby, but how come system will be inactive? System will be active only, production systems, yes.
Sometimes the authorization will be failed due to some reasons. Other system may be down. That time we
Mm,
will check there in SM57 authorization test and Unicode test we will do.
mhm. Even in that case also, you can find queues.
Okay.
Even if authorization is failed, something happens, you can find outbound or inbound queue. It will show authorization object something error. You need to check the logical system. Okay, what logical system will check? You're almost nearby 90%. Okay, what logical system will check?
We will check the receiver logical system.
We need to check. We have one configuration if you remember. Okay, with respect to this logical system, we need to maintain the opposite logical system, right?
Yeah.
That configuration we will check, because here you are maintaining as ECC system. What you maintained? EH8 CLND, EH8 CLND 900 something. So the opposite logical system, whatever you maintain, That should be N75 CLND. N75 CLND 110. Suppose in this case you don't mean N75, you maintain some N75 CLND 115 you maintain. By mistakenly you have multiple systems, you maintain 115. Now in this case what will happen?
System will unable to connect to the other system.
No, it will connect.
Oh.
It is telling that only the queue spot got connected to this system. The queue spot got connected to this system. Now what will happen? You can find queue in this system, or else you will not find the queues only. If you have some issue in the logical system.
Okay.
Assignment logical system, if you have any issues, either you can find queue in the system, or else you will not find the queue at all. System will fail to generate the queues in case of logical system issues are there. Okay.
Okay.
Just remember this one thing. Okay. Now if I go to inbound delivery, my inbound delivery, it will be there here. This is not inbound delivery. Okay. What is this
ERP
one?
document.
Document is this one or
ERP document.
ERP. ERP means or ECC document. Inbound delivery document. Inbound delivery in ECC. Execute, guys. Okay. Here I can open with ERP document, and also what else I have?
Advanced shipping notification.
Advanced shipping notification. When you create inbound delivery, we received advanced shipping notification also. So advanced shipping notification also we can see. With respect to that also we can open it.
Okay.
So this is called header of the delivery, and this is called item of the delivery. Now this delivery, if I see, it is in error mode. It is in error mode. How to check the error, guys? This one, what error? What is the issue?
We need to check the log.
Log. You can check one option if you see here. Check option. Select the line item. Click on check option. Goods movement will not determine or entered. Don't worry about this one, okay? I will tell you. You will reach up to that. Give me 1 second, okay? Let's see, without this I can discuss or not. So what I'm doing here, I will try to reject guys here. This delivery, I created notification and I got into EWM system. I want to reject it. I don't want to maintain the configuration because that is a different thing. I want to reject this delivery. Reject. I don't want to receive this delivery to EWM system. Somehow I want to reject it. So I'm
Is
selecting
it
the line item.
possible
I
to
want to,
change the delivery quantity, Ram, in the EWM?
sorry. Sorry, repeat again.
Once the outbound delivery is inbound delivery is created, we can't change the
Mhm.
quantity. Correct?
Not quantity, I am telling you. In the ECC, we cannot change anything.
Yeah. In EWM, is it possible to change or not?
Yes, just wait. So, first thing is like I want to reject it. What will happen if I reject it? What will happen if I reject it? I'm clicking on reject here. Okay, it was rejected. Inbound delivery changed. What happened here? Inbound delivery. Read. Quantity of item 10 successfully changed from 5 to 0 kg. So once you reject it, system performs these changes to delivery. This one leave it. Document rejected. Editing. This one leave it. Inbound delivery confirm. So this is the PPF action message got. Don't worry about this one. But this is the automatic system identified. It was rejected and system changed some statuses. Inbound delivery changed. Inbound delivery changed. Now if you see guys here, delivery. What is the status here? What is this one?
Completed it is showing
Completed, completed, completed. With how much quantity?
0 quantity.
With 0 quantity. Okay, now we can save it. Okay, automatically it was saved. Now what will happen? Now what will happen to ECC guys? Now what will happen to ECC delivery? I am going back and refreshing the delivery. Enter. Open the delivery now. What happened here?
Quantity is changed.
So how do you know that the update whatever you have done here, it got reflected in ECC system or not? If you go to header, we can see this status as confirmed. Previously, what are the status of the delivery, guys?
It's status A.
Yes, status A. Once you save the delivery, it is status B. And once you do any action from EWM system and something got completed, fully received or fully rejected, something happens, it is confirmed. Okay, now status is C. And now we can go to goods movement data. In the delivery, we can go to goods movement data. Can you see? This is very important, guys. Total goods movement status. Goods movement status is completed. Previously, what is the status, guys? Previously, it is A, not yet processed. When it will come B, guys, means what? If you don't receive this inbound delivery, if you don't receive it, I mean to say received means unloading. GR part, I'm telling, okay. In this case, if you receive some goods, okay, then it will be partially processed. Means what? If you have like 10 lines are there, some 4 lines you received, remaining 4 lines you didn't receive. Only for 4 lines you received, you have done the GR. Okay, in that case, status will be partially processed. When the delivery was created, it was not yet processed. When the partially, if you perform GR, then it is partially processed. When you receive complete all the goods from the system, it is completely processed. See, now in this case, 0 quantity we received. Okay, then it is completely processed. Got it?
So Ram, basically, once you update it in EWM, it will send on queue to ECC. Am I correct?
Exactly. Now,
Okay.
if you go to PPF action in EWM system, PPF action is like a message. It will trigger to ECC system.
Oh,
PPF action, can you see?
yes.
Post processing framework actions. PPF, we will go through this one. Okay, don't worry. PPF
Okay.
action will generate messages to ECC system. Can you see here? Send ERP delivery messages. So click on this one. Now key date 1305 processing. This one you can read it if you want. Can you see a queue name? This is the queue has been set for further processing of document 0. This queue has maintained. This queue is having information of delivery with 0 quantity, and this was triggered to ECC system. This queue, got it? This updated the information in the ECC system. Okay, and it will update the respective details in the respective delivery. Now, if you go to here, you can go to document flow. Normally, if you receive quantity, you can go to document flow and you can check the remaining things. But in this case, you didn't receive anything. But somehow we can see this one. Completed status. Now we can check the PO also now. Purchase order. How can you check the PO? Click on this, double click on this one. You'll go to item details. Now you go to predecessor data. Predecessor data. Here you can find the respective PO. If you don't remember the PO number, you can find the PO number here. You can go to the PO. Now you can see the purchase order history generally. If it is posted. Now in this case, it is not posted, guys, here. Okay. Just you can go to confirmations tab, not confirmations, along with confirmations. Yes. Generally, we can find the delivery numbers here. Okay. What are the input delivery got created? You can find the input delivery numbers here. Okay, to update. That's fine. Okay. But we'll see one more example now. For this PO, I'm going to create one more inbound delivery and I'm going to do the partial. I'm going to create the partial goods receipt, changing the quantity and all I want to do. I want to create VL31N. Inbound delivery I want to create. With full quantity I want to create. Okay. With 10 quantity I want to create. Okay. Save it, guys. Shipping notification was saved and distributed to WMS system. Okay. Now I'm going to EWM system. Now I'm going to EWM system. Now in the EWM system, I want to open this respective ERP document. Okay. I received it. Okay, I received it. 10 kg I received it. Now, in this case, I received 10 kg. I received 10 kg. I want to change this 10 kg to 5 kg because vendor has sent only 5 kg, not 10 kg. Vendor has sent only 5 kg instead of 10